बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर का हिस्सा है सेकुलरिज्म। और एक भारत की सबसे बड़ी स्टेट का चीफ मिनिस्टर इस तरह की वाहियात बात करता है और बीजेपी खामोश बैठी है।
इसके पीछे क्या दिखता है आपको? ये स्टेटमेंट के पीछे क्या रास्ता होगा?
देखिए, संघ परिवार कभी भी भारत की डाइवर्सिटी को मानने को तैयार न थी, न है। संघ परिवार जहां उनको सूट करता था वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को इस्तेमाल करते थे सत्ता में आने के लिए। अब जब इनको पावर मिल चुका है, इनका असली चेहरा सामने आ रहा है। This is the obnoxious statement by the Honorable Chief Minister of the biggest state of India is an insult to our Constitution. It is an insult to our founding fathers. It is an insult to all those members who sat in the Constituent Assembly under the leadership of Baba Saheb Ambedkar and made this Constitution. In the Constitution, in the preamble, what is liberty of thought? Does that not reflect secularism? What is Article 14, 19, 22, 25, 26, 29, 30 of the Constitution? Does that not reflect our secular ideals and values? Thirdly, Sangh Parivar has a double face on this issue. When it suits them, they say that the country is secular because the majority is secular. Now the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh says that secularism is itself a threat to India's progress and prospect. And fourthly, the Chief Minister says that in the world we are not getting a rightful place because of secularism. So I would challenge him to go and complain to the Prime Minister. In last 6.5 years, the BJP and the Sangh Parivar claims that under the leadership of the Prime Minister, India has made a mark in the global field. That has been clearly contradicted by his own Chief Minister. That shows that India has no position in the world. And who is bringing down India's name? It is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Fourthly, did China enter India's LAC and occupy the Pong Song Su Lake, the southern and northern part, the Depsang, everywhere? Is it because of secularism did we lose our brave 17 soldiers? Is it because of secularism that China is still sitting inside India's LAC? In Ladakh and in other parts of our country? Is it because of secularism that petrol, diesel, LPG prices?
Every child's success story starts here, like a multifaceted diamond. Every student who steps into Success School shines with brilliance, sculptured by teachers polished to perfection.
If opportunity does not knock, I will build a door.
To us, success comes in cans, not in can'ts.
Success is falling 9 times, getting up 10.
Some people dream of success, others put their heart and soul into working for it.
Success, finding oneself.